it's Melissa here to plan in my Skinny Classic Happy Planner. So this week what I wanted to actually do is to use these illustrations. These ones, mainly what I really wanted to do was use a sticker. So I thought it would be perfect for Valentine's Day. Just gonna get started. I don't know yet how I'm gonna be able to work this with the fact that I would like to have my usual bullet points and things like that, but I thought I'd switch things up. I am going to start off by putting this here, and then I know that I'm going to have to put my box sticker there for my YouTube post as well as my Instagram. I really wanted to use 2 of these macarons and maybe some of the flowers. I think I'm going to use this Listen to Your Heart as well. That seems like a nice little Valentine's Day thing to use. I just trying to figure out whether or not I'm going to layer on some other stickers with it. Yeah. What I'm probably going to do is I'll embellish here and then these 2 there, this here. So then maybe I should put it here and then I'll put a little plant on top of it. And I might grab my rainbow sticker book just because I know I'm going to need some boxes. Let me put this here. Is this flower going to fit on top? No, so I might just put these heart sunglasses right along here. I wanted to use this present just because I feel like I can make it work with the design. Since there's an embellishment here, I'm probably going to put one on this side. And then over here, these 2 on this side, and then another one over here. And then here I'll put one too. So I think, oh, for Valentine's Day, I should probably do it for Valentine's Day. Just a little present. Put it the right way, and then add some macarons. Or a macaron. I'll save one of the others for later. Maybe I'll add this really red one. Oh, that really matches well. Super cute. And then I want to use kind of a bunch of florals, so one of these. And I think I'm going to use it for some embellishment here. I think I might stick it on here. And I'll stick this little plant right beside it. And then over here, I might add this little coffee maker. I forget what these are called. And I'll put this along here. And then over here, I might just put this more coffee, please, along with maybe a macaron. Yeah. This bright pink one. And then over here, I think I am going to put a couple of donuts just along here. And I might have to lift these up because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Colourful Boxes and then I'm going to use that to kind of do my bullet points. I might just take the rainbow ones. I'm going to grab that now. I want to put a little love quote here, which I'm going to have to find and scour through. I went ahead and grabbed this big Joanns sticker book as well as the Gold Star quotes just because I always love this thing. I am hoping for some quotes that talk about love. So I like this just because it kind of goes with the colors. But I was hoping that I can find a quote that's more love-centered or heart. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this out because I might use it. Let me look through here. My poor book is falling apart. I think I want to go with this Choose Kindness, and then I'm going to stick another sticker on top of, or over here, one of these embellishments that kind of go with these illustrations. I might do this candle here. I think that could really match. Or I could do this big plant. It's still kind of cold out, so technically I could use a toque. Okay, let me white this out first. And I think I'm just going to use the original Colourful Boxes. Okay. And then I'll put this. Oh, there's going to be 2 quotes on top of each other, which I don't know if I'm going to like. Let's see. Could I make these florals work with the other, some of the other florals that I have? Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab the journaling sticker book and take it from there. Actually, I think there's also some in Happy Quotes. I think this is so pretty, and I think I could make it work right here. I'm just going to keep that out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to do a little bit of sticker surgery. And I'm going to kind of center this along here. And I'm going to just stack it close to each other. How can I do that? And then I think I can add this right here. Let's see if there's any of these other florals that I can kind of cut up. I'm actually going to look in the journaling sticker book just because I know there's black florals and I can add that there. I'm going to take some of these journaling doodles. I am going to put them here. I'll cover this up properly. And then I'll put a little floral cluster. Actually, maybe I'll just keep going. And I'll do this one beside it. Is that too big? Yeah. Oh, here we go. This is smaller. Put this right beside it too. I'll lift this up. And stick it along here. Tuck that over. And then I'm going to put floral here. And then just to go for it, a floral down here. I think I'm going to lift this up and then just tuck it under a little bit. And then I'll cut off the excess. Okay. And then now I can put the box stickers. This is definitely not going to be one of my favorite spreads, but that's okay. Done is better than perfect, right? Now to switch things up, I'm going to just stick a couple of these bigger boxes along here. Maybe I'll start with a purple. That feels like it could work. And then I'm going to just stick a bullet point for my YouTube post just to switch things up a bit, because normally I do a box sticker for my Instagram, or sorry, a box sticker for my YouTube, and then a bullet points for my Instagram, just to kind of switch the look of it a little bit. This has just been really working for me, so I'm hesitant to switch things up if it's working right. So I know I'm gonna need 2 Instagram posts. Maybe I'll just layer this right over a little bit, and then I'm gonna put the bullet point of the YouTube post somewhere there. I'm not gonna bother bullet pointing these boxes just because I feel like, is this a red tube, right? I don't think so. I know that if I either do 2, I'll just kind of put 2 on there. If I don't do 2, then that's okay. Okay, so now we go back. There's this nice green one, so I think I can add a green one too. I'm gonna go for this one. And then over here, I think I'm gonna go for this guy. And over here, I will go for this pale kind of blush pink. And then I'll go for another purple, this pinky purple. I don't know how to layer this so that it's going to look nice. Maybe I can't use this one. I should probably use a red or pink type sticker. Oh, I've used a lot of reds. But this hot pink, this looks honestly just kind of terrible, but really I need this red to be functional for me, so that's okay. I'm just going to put a bullet point where I want my YouTube post to go. And this time I'm going to use these. Maybe I should use the pastels, yeah. Gonna add this one, this green, add this blush one over here, add this turquoise, and then I'll add this pink over here. I'll add this pale purple, and then over here I think I can make this yellow work. And then lastly, I'm trying not to reuse colors, but I am struggling. I think I'm going to use this rich one. I kind of hate this spread, but that's okay. I feel like this looks kind of awkward being high. The other ones are all kind of resting on the line, so I'm going to do that. I guess at the end of the day, the bullet points look better than one box sticker. Either that or this just really isn't my best work, but that's okay. I really need this to be kind of functional for me. Oh man, these bullet points look so awkward. I'm just gonna move them. I just don't like how they're all kind of aligned on here, so I'm just gonna move this over here. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just struggling here. I think I should just stop, call it quits and regroup for next week. So this is my spread in my Skinny Classic Planner for this week. So in these boxes, I'm going to write my Instagram post, and then on the flags, I'm going to add my YouTube post. And then if there's any sort of things that SOAP related tasks that we need to get done, I'll probably just write it on the side. But yes, this is it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you like this video, I hope you'll click like. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them below. If you don't miss any of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.